Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, back again for another video. I wanted to show you the dried ones from my last video. I think they turned out pretty nice. A little bit too much peach, but I think they're really pretty. I really like them. I like the lake blue for the background. So if anybody's interested in them, my contact information will be down in the bottom in the details of this video, so just let me know. So on with the next. Today I'm just going to do a simple tree ring. And I found the extreme sheen in the little bottles. I asked one of the other artists, and I can't remember who it was, but they told me where to find them at, so that was really good. So I am using Deco Art, Extreme Sheen, Berry, Sapphire, and Aquamarine. And I just found this one. It was on clearance, so I picked it up, and I'm not sure how it's going to act, but we'll try it. And it's pewter. It's not metallic or anything, so we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to use some white. And here's my cup I'm going to be pouring them into. So we'll just get started. Get my sticks out of here so they won't get in the way. Probably should have done that beforehand, but you know, everything to try and get ready. And then you forget to do things, but bear with me. I hope everybody will subscribe while I'm pouring my paints here. I sure would like to get some more subscribers. This is a 12 by 12 canvas that I'm working on today. Of course, you know they're extreme sheen paints, except for the pewter. They are well, can't talk today, acrylic paints, of course. I don't want to do too much white because white has a tendency of taking over. I don't want that. And have some extra white for the edges, and so that we can, for the paint to flow over if I need to. I hope I mixed up enough paint for this canvas. I got a new hair dryer on order. Mine doesn't seem to be blowing very well. I've tried thinning my paints out and everything, but it doesn't seem to work. So I ordered a new one, and lo and behold, Amazon sent me a message, said, well, it's going to be late. It wasn't in stock or something, so maybe it'll be here Tuesday. I don't know how many of all of you have today off since it's President's Day. All right, I think this should be plenty. Just going to end it with a little bit of white. There we go. All right, now these plastic cups don't bend very well, but we'll get a tree ring somehow or another. think I'll need my little spread thing here. Set for a couple seconds. Colors are really pretty. Let me show you inside the cup. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Too bad you can't make art out of the inside of the cup. Give it a torch. There is no silicone in these paints, so whatever cells come up are going to be natural on their own. I think I am going to put a little bit of white around since I have this left over. Let's get this spread out a little bit. All right, let's see what we can do with our tilting. I'm going to move this a little bit so that I don't get it all over the place. Be going up here some, so let's take it up there off the edge, bring it back to the center. To the center again, so I can try and keep some of these lines that I've got going. Let's see. This way. Got one last corner there. There we go. That's very soft and pretty looking. That's all covered. Everything here is all covered. Wipe my hands. torch is so covered with paint, sometimes I can't even use it. Okay, let's give it a torch. This one is really gorgeous. I love these colors. Look at that. Beautiful. All the rings that stayed and some of the cells that are coming up. It's beautiful. I thank you all for watching today. Please subscribe. I really need some more subscribers, guys. Share with your friends and your family. Give me any comments that you want. Let me know what you want to see. Hit the bell. You'll be notified when I put up new videos. And always, have a great day.